2019 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, moonroof, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, rear window defroster, CD player, electronic stability control, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, trip computer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tachometer, panic alarm, HD radio. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.